Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechnoBits. Today we're gonna see how to monetize a YouTube channel with an Android smartphone. And now quickly let's get started. Just open up your browser in Android smartphone. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any of your browser. Just search for the youtube.com in your browser. And now tap on your browser's menu button and checkbox the desktop site, which will allow you to access the desktop version of the website. Once the website is open, make sure that you are logged in with your Google account. Now tap on the right corner of your website, which is the profile icon. Now tap on my channel, which will open up your YouTube's profile web page. Now tap on the customize channel, which will allow you to customize your YouTube channel. In the top right, you can see a gear button. Just tap on it. A window will open up with the channel settings, and now check for advanced settings. A creator studio page will open up. Now quickly tap on status and features in the channel. This will open up the features of your YouTube channel where you can enable and disable them. We have to enable the monetization. Just tap on enable button in the monetization block. Once you tap on it, it will show up with the steps to monetize your YouTube channel. Just finish all the steps and your account will be requested for monetization. In a couple of days, Google AdSense will monetize your channel by verifying your account. And now when you are enabled it, you go for uploading the videos and start earning, where earning is made easier. If you if you have any questions regarding this video, please write it down in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and start sharing with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, cause I'll be bringing new videos which will help you. Till then, take care.